Good morning, all. It's just about 20 past 10 a.m. 20 past 10 a.m. And it's absolutely hammering down here. I was going to go down the shop. It's hammering down the rain. Walking it. I don't use a car anymore to do exercise and health reasons. Ooh, excuse me. It's pouring down. I got a brolly, but I'll get soaked both ways, one way or the other. And with the brolly, as I said before, it's not very easy carrying 2 shopping bags with a brolly because we've only got 2 of these. We haven't got 3. Yeah. So I'm stuck here. I need something. Well, I always need something. No, I'm thinking about chicken portions, a couple of tins of sardines, vitamin C dissolvable, pills. France 24, Israeli forces kill. Oh, God. Miserable notification about Gaza again. Oh, dear. And the wind is blowing. The wind is seriously blowing. So it's definitely not Brawley weather. My Brawley does turn inside out, just like that. Yeah, I'll make this Twitter length. Or X length today. 2 minutes 20. Right, so I'm waiting here for the rain to die down. Waiting. Happy 27th of December all. We're in the dark zone now. The dark zone between Christmas and New Year's. Ooh. Ta-ra, I'm going to catch up with the sport.